on the phone with the customer.
Look at this T8. Look at all this stuff right here, guys. We got the pilot transport truck.
Hello, I'm Devin. What got me in the car business? I like having fun. I'm not sure about anybody else. Yeah, Devin does. What? A few other people like to have fun, but not very many.
Devin's about the only one.
Advice for what?
Enjoying this beautiful weather.
Oh, yes.
Go fishing.
Don't go to work.
No, come and see us.
Oh, yeah, come and see us.
My bad. Yeah, come see us. Come by a truck and then go fishing.
With your new truck that you just bought from us?
Yes, pull your boat, back your boat up.
It's probably, what, 77 degrees?
Yeah. What Devin meant to say was come buy a new truck and then pull your boat to the lake with it.
Yeah,
That's
that's what I meant.
Yeah.
Happy St. Patty's Day, everybody.
Happy St. Patty's Day. Top of the morning to you. Ah, Desiree.
I got double green on.
Come at me, bro.
See how far this flies.
Tell us a story, Devin.
About what?
Just say anything. Just make a good story. Tell us a story. We need a good story.
I don't.
What about your baseball?
I don't know. My general manager saw me get hit in the face with a baseball one time. I was playing his son in high school.
What did you do before this? Or were you going to go this weekend?
I actually have a wedding to go to this weekend. My cousin's getting married. I'm an usher for it.
Carla, if you're out there.
Huh? Carla? Who? What's up, Carla?
Hey, he's about to fire it up. He's about to fire it up.
I have no idea what Jason is saying, but we're having a lot of fun. Come and visit us. We're at 7800. Hey! Say something? Say hi. We're out here at Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Benton, Arkansas, 7800 Alcoa Road. If you have any questions about this Dodge Hellcat, text us at 501-361-3803, or you can message us here on Facebook. Hopefully the sound is a lot better today. I have no ear plugs on or anything like that, so hopefully we have no interference. This black SRT is up for sale, so message us or text us. We do deliver. As you can see, this is a covered transport. We do trailered, uncovered, covered, whatever, all across the U.S. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Benton, Arkansas. Thank you so much for joining us today. It is absolutely gorgeous. We got some of the crew.
SRT red eye, red key. Let's go. It ain't gonna last long, y'all, I promise. 764-2660. It's gonna go today. There's Marshall Davis. I'm gonna buy it from you. Give your number, Marshall.
501-499-3557.
Ain't gonna last long, y'all. I'm not gonna say it one more time, but one more time, it ain't gonna last long.
Happy St. Patty's Day, everybody.
Bam! Wasn't gonna get pinched today. No, sir. Wasn't gonna get pinched today.
We hit him with double. Bam and bam.
We have a lot of fun. I'm Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Benton. Can you text me the stock number?
Oh, it's a super stock.
It's a Superstar red eye.
Whoa.
Red eye, bro.
I knew it was a red eye, but it's a
Jason,
super stock. That's
can
different.
you text me the stock number, please?
Are those tires even street legal? It'll be text Desiree.
Drag pack, pretty much. I do
Oh,
drag
yeah,
racing,
oh,
so.
it's 29.7.
It gives the high performance key the red key, right?
We like to have fun. It's always a blast here.
That's why I have a shoot.
SRT.
Say hi. Say hi.
Hello?
Say hello.
Oh, hello.
And who are you?
I'm Devin.
And do you have fun? Did you have fun today?
I did.
Having fun now?
I am.
Awesome. Okay, that's all.
93, 505.
About to do some double.
We're out here at Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Benton, Arkansas, 7800 Alcoa Road. If you have any questions about this red-eyed Dodge Hellcat, please call or text us 501-361-3803. Thank you so much to Pilot Transport for bringing us this beautiful
I don't
beast.
even know if those are street legal. I don't think those. Hey, those tires aren't street legal, right? On a Superstock.
I didn't see anything.
No, I'm being serious. That's not a legal tire. I don't think. Hey, that's not street legal, right? Those tires? Yeah, I didn't think so.